got to let you in, fall and let you go. I'm giving it up for maybe. If I get it up again, I wanna let you know I seem to know the basics. I wanna let you in before I let you go. Get under my skin. See why I'm so cold. Is it for lasting? If all I did was pushing you away, I suppose. Dreams don't spread, they disappear ahead into the dark side of the bed. Got to let you in, fall and let you go. I'm giving it up for maybe. If I get it up again, I wanna let you know I seem to know the basics. Not getting lost in words you're too scared to spell. No matter the cost, you about whatever I say. I'm falling off the edge into mosh pit sections of t-shirts, sets on the go. With the tension still, if you pull the trigger on me like I am doing for sure. Got to let you in, fall and let you go. I'm giving it up for maybe. If I get it up again, I wanna let you know I seem to know the basics.
Hoping that you understand, you ain't the man to tell you in demand. Just pray to God we keep you in the plan. You ain't the man to tell you when it's dark, but I've been on a mission since the day we brought up. Every time we dropping it, we know they thought up ways to bring me down, but when they hear, don't hear a sound. Guess that's the way you gotta act when I've been real, it's been around. Used to be on my own now, I got a team of my own now. Know where to go now, but I know where I've been. So what you tryna do? I see you coming for the squad, and boy, you bound to lose. Just realize it while you coming for him, that there's enough for all of us and everybody could win. But you keep spending all the energy on things that don't apply to you. I keep doing things that you would more than probably die to do. I keep doing things that teachers told you not to try in school, and you keep saying that it's cool, well someone must have lied to you. Cause about time that we feel this moment, about time maybe you deserve it. We just really tryna flex on them, keep the checks coming, let them know we next up. About time that we feel this moment, about time maybe you deserve it. Put the work in it, everything will work out. This a life that we always talk about. I'm hoping that you understand, you ain't the man to tell you in demand. Just pray to God we keep you in the plans. You ain't the man to tell you in it. What they want from me, I can see it in their eyes. Ain't no commodity, but all they see is dollar sign. Buying stock in me, watch that money multiply. No one's stopping me from making all this come alive. You gotta be Until you in demand, you just a no one. And while they stay in their lane, they always saying you've changed. But I ain't working this hard just to be staying the same. Still I got friends who've been around since the days in the basement. I got friends who settled down, no, they're more like an acquaintance. I got friends in the league, man, I got friends who've been up, man. I got friends who gon' be famous, I'm just trying to keep up. That's why I'm singing. About time that we feel this moment. About time, baby, you deserve it. We just really tryna flex on them, flex on them. Keep the checks coming, let them know we next on. About time that we feel this moment. About time, baby, you deserve it. Put the work in it, everything will work out. It's a life that we always talk about. About time that we feel this moment. About time, baby, you deserve it. We just really tryna flex on them, flex on them. Keep the checks coming, let them know we next on. Hoping that you understand. You ain't the man to tell you in demand. Just pray to God we keep you in the plan. You ain't the man to tell you when it.
Got to let you in, fall, I let you go. I'm giving it up for maybe. If I get it up again, I wanna let you know. I seem to know the basics. I wanna let you.
Hey guys, so we're now in our last hotel room of the trip, which is really exciting because I want to go sleep in my own bed. Thank you for your input. But yeah, this is our last, well, tomorrow's our last day and today is our last day in Amsterdam. And what you all saw is this morning we went to the Van Gogh Museum. I didn't film that, there was no filming. And then we went to the flower market. I think I got a couple of pictures or filming of that and our walk to it. And then we had lunch at this place called Vegan Junk Food. I think I got a video of that. I don't think I took a video of our food because I was hungry and I didn't think about it, but
I have pictures.
There are pictures, so I can input pictures. Or I did input
I
pictures.
I was gonna give you my pictures. How much you gonna pay for them?
You'll know if I paid based on the fact that if there might be pictures in this. What else? Okay.
Look at these lit
Look,
ass shoes
she
I
got clogs.
What?
They're cow clogs. If you want to stay tuned, I'll do a video where I show you everything that I got while I was here.
These are all
but
that matters.
The clogs won't be in it. They're slipper clogs, so they're not real clogs. The real clogs were actually really comfortable. That was from yesterday. The stuff you saw from yesterday was a cheese farm, a cheese farm.
Cheese making place.
They made cheese and then they let us eat cheese and then we looked at cheese. There was a lot of cheese. It was a good time. And then we went to this little town. I think I took some videos of the town. It was super cute. It was raining, so we did that town first. Like when it was like near, it's actually like a big lake, but it looks like the ocean. It's so big. And then we went to a second town called Edam, which is where the name Edam cheese comes from. We walked around, we looked at some architecture. I think I got some video of that. There was like a really cute canal, just like the one in Amsterdam. And then we went to the clog place. I definitely took some video of the windmills, but I don't know if I actually got anything of the clogs, but we watched somebody make a clog, which was really cool. And then oh my god, I'm gonna kill you. And then, sorry, I lost my train of thought. She annoyed me. And then we saw windmills and I took some videos of the windmills, and so yeah, and now we are going to go to dinner because food is really nice and we like food. Okay, I think I caught you up on everything. See you later. Bye. You're so backlit. She's listening to my video with me in the room and I'm very upset about it. Good. Oh. Also, so we're in a room with a queen bed, or a king bed, and my parents and our brother.
Like dumbasses. Wait, who is this for?
Video.
For like YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Why? What do you think was
Because I said like dumbasses.
Went into the room that was supposed to be for the two of us and then our brother, but they didn't realize there were gonna be 3 twin beds, so they thought he was just gonna be like stuck in here with them. But anyway, point being, we're not moving, so our stuff is already here. Look how much stuff we have. We have so much stuff. It was really not that much for 2 weeks, but it's still a lot of stuff. I wish you would turn that off. She's the dumbest human being. Oh my god, we'll give you outfits of the days, even though it's the end of the days. And my makeup has already come off because... Okay, so what are you wearing?
IDK. Dirty ass fucking Vans. IDK. IDK.
How much of it was thrifted?
None of this actually.
Oh really? That's disappointing. I think this is the shirt you got from the jean jacket you got from Old Navy like a while ago. Because it has the nice pockets on the inside.
Oh, yeah,
I love those. Okay.
Yeah, unfortunately none of my clothes was thrifted.
Oh, and she's wearing this bracelet from this really great company called Marina de Bucci?
I don't know, but also have a nice bra on.
Oh yeah, it's Ariella. But it's...
You're gonna get taken down. You're gonna get demonetized.
Anyway, but they donate to a organization called A21, and it's all about ending sex trafficking, or human trafficking, not just sex trafficking.
You wanna know what freaks
in
Payton
the world.
out?
Oh, yeah, she has... I'm not looking, but you guys can all look. Actually, I'm gonna do that for you guys too. Anyway, we'll do my outfit. So I'm wearing this jacket from... It's a vegan leather, and it's from... I think it's called Juju, something like that. And I'm wearing this romper that I got really cheap from an outlet mall, and it's by a brand called Lush. But if you look up Lush, you're just gonna get... Look at her face. You're just gonna get, like, the Lush company, and then I'm wearing a pair of Vans because... Why would you do anything not in Vans? And then I have my anklet on that I always have on because I can't take it off because it's been burned on.
You can cut it off.
I'm not going to cut it off. She hates it. She thinks it's
cut
gross.
off your foot.
Anyway, sorry about this.
Just saying. If you don't have a foot in the morning, you know why.
She also said she's going to cut off my tongue because whenever she looks at me, I stick out my tongue like this. I've started to wink now.
Okay, what the fuck is up with these showers and only half?
Oh my god, let's finish the tour. Yeah, so every place we've gone to, where's the light?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, every place we've gone to, we can never find the light, and no. So there's no light in here apparently.
There has to be a light.
But
maybe it's behind the door.
It's behind the door?
Oh, no. Is it this?
Oh, it's over here. Of course it is. Thank you. Oh, and it lights up the entire thing. Oh no, you hit both. Anyway. So it's got this weird-ass toilet where the thing is like up here, which is fun and weird, but I kind of like it actually, I'm not gonna lie. It's like smaller, it's quainter. And then there's a shower. Every shower has been like this, which I really like. My shower is like this at home. And then, but then there's like nothing here. There's like no curtain, no nothing. I don't understand it. This is always clear glass. The last place actually only had a curtain where this was, and water just went through everywhere. It's me again. And then this is a sink. It looks like every other sink in the world. Okay. Okay, can we go get food?
Got to let you in, fall, I'll let you go. I'm giving it up for maybe. If I get it up again, I wanna let you know. I seem to know the basics. Yeah. I wanna let you in. I let you go.
Hey, so I was editing the video and I realized that I forgot to do an outro because I decided to tack in a little bit of the plane flight home. So basically, thank you for watching. If you want to see more travel related content, give this video a thumbs up so I know that that's what you want to see, or like vlogs. Comment below if you have like more specific stuff you want to see. And if you want to stick around, I make new videos, or I upload new videos every 3 days, and my next one is going to be everything I bought in Europe for the 2 weeks we were there. So yeah, cool.
On my skin.